Greetings everyone, Nitro Bandit here. Today we're going to be testing out my HBI 5B SS, which is equipped by the KRC Super Bee kill switch. KRC makes some awesome stuff as it is, and I have no doubt this thing's going to work perfectly. So we're going to see how it does. We're going to put it through its paces. I'm going to do several tests here. First test is I'm going to do a cold start. It has been lit up since I installed the thing, so we're going to see how it does. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to attempt to kill the 5B with my 3 PM, the third channel switch 1 on the grip. So here we go. Turn on the radio, transmitter first, wait for the 4 beeps. Got everything ready. It's all live. Here we go. Here we go. First test successful. I don't know if you can hear it on the camera. You can hear the little buzzer in it timing, stating that it was killed by the radio. So we're going to reactivate it and push the switch again. Wait for a few seconds. Wait till the light turns solid green, or the LED. There we go. It's back live. Next test, I'm going to. Sorry, bugs are terrible out here down in Georgia. I'm going to simulate a potential signal loss at a high speed. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the radio off while this thing is running at a moderately high RPM. Here we go. Test 2 complete. Worked perfectly. Reactivating the radio. Bring everything back. Wait till the light turns green again. Well, turns solid again. Third test, I'm going to simulate the receiver losing power while it's running. It's just going to be idling. So here we go. Test 3 complete. As I said, KRC makes some great stuff, and I highly recommend this kill switch to anyone that's got a large scale RC, especially for boats. You don't want one of these things running away, because these things weigh from between 26 to 35 pounds. So this is an awesome must-have, and I feel it's mandatory to have this thing. My next one is going to be the Nitro kill switch for my 8-scale buggy, my Hot Bodies D8 Hard Edition, which I race. And it's Fire 11 equipped, so it's kind of nasty in power. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed. We'll see you next time. Nitro Bandit out. Peace.